Yo, I wanna be one in the mill, wanna build something that's ill, wanna be real, but still have a couple bucks in the till. Shit, I don't wanna be rich, but I love to be comfortable. Don't wanna get in trouble being cuffed by a constable. I wanna be the bomb, like my lines were combustible. Want you to sing along every time that I bust for you. I wanna work a job when my boss don't belittle me. Wanna be chilling on the beach in the Philippines. Wanna kick these songs overseas with my killer team. Is it too much to wanna see some peace in the Middle East? Wanna see Israel stop its occupation. I wanna see this hip-hop spread across the nation. Want it to be the biggest genre that we have to offer. I wanna set the benchmark a youngin' seeks to conquer. I wanna be remembered as an honest man who never dogged his fam in a squabble over dollars of my motherland. I make you wanna move, I make you wanna swing. I wanna make a tune that makes you wanna sing. I just wanna make you think, yo, so you can do your thing. I just wanna see you do your thing. I make you wanna move, I make you wanna swing. I wanna make a tune that makes you wanna sing. I just wanna make you think, yo, so you can do your thing. I just wanna see you do your thing.
No, I don't wanna be a wannabe. I wanna be one of a kind. Wanna have nothing to hide. Wanna be passionate like the love of my life. Wanna be happy with enough to survive. Wanna be talented like Busta Rhymes, busting a rhyme. I wanna shed light like the sun in the sky. So bright I blind that dumb sucker that tries to smother my shine. Want something I write that gets stuck in your mind. So utterly fly, you're up in the bind, still wondering why. I wanna bring it back to 1995 and catch Big L reciting tidy lines before he died in 1999. Rest in peace, best believe your style be mighty fine. Better check and see the fresh MC's the type I idolize. Wanna bless my peeps and wish them the very best of destinies. I wanna spread my seed and set sail to the 7 seas. Wanna try to win in recipes of Charlie Sheen. Wanna crash a reserve bank and set them up.